up! I know you're tired from Nerf, but it's time for MakerBox!
Alright!
Huh?
Alright everybody, so it's time to peel off the Murph and get serious with the MakerBox. Well, at least two of us will get serious about the MakerBox.
You and him?
MakerBox used more tape this month. Usually it's just a little piece. I had to cut that all the way across. What? You always want to get grabby with the, you always want to get grabby with the candy. Ooh, those are good. I want to eat those. Those are sweet tarts, yeah?
Yeah.
All right, so our box actually arrived while we were at Murph, and which was painful to get a notification that, hey, your MakerBox has been delivered. And of course, I'm standing with Matt Gordon in the room, and I gave him a hard time. I said, why didn't you hand deliver me my MakerBox? And he said, by the time he thought about it, it was already in the middle of the pile. But I wouldn't have been able to do anything with it at Murph anyway. So instead,
You got a Poly Alchemy sticker.
instead we waited until we got home. So yes, first off the top is a Poly Alchemy sticker. We have an advertisement for 3D Geeks, and actually I'm going to touch on this just a little bit at the end because I didn't know this was in here, but I have some cool news to tell you about that. We have our coupon codes. We have a Polymaker sticker. And then we get into our filament. Now, just so you guys know, we went back to the Explorer box. We did the Everything box for the last 2 months, which was cool because it was fun to see what came in the Everything box. But the reason I went back to the Explorer box was because the Everything box contains everything that's in this box except for more of the PLAs, and we definitely have a lot of PLA. So I didn't want it to just stack up and stack up and stack up and
this one.
be useless. So that's fine. I also see down here we got a MakerBox button.
Ooh.
I actually scored one of these at Murph too, not knowing it was going to be in the box, but it was in the box.
FX PLA sandstone. On-end temperature 200 to 220. Bed temperature 50 to 70. Speed to 50 to 70 millimeters per second. PLA blended with fine fibers to give a unique textured effect. No special nozzle or heated bed required for this material. Polyalchemy.
All right. And how would you describe that color?
Sandstone-y.
Sandstone-y? Yeah, it's a light, like a light brown, like a coffee and cream. All right, so this next one is Polymax PETG, and I do love PETG. Polymaker advises BuildTak or PEI for this. The hot end temperature is 230 to 240 degrees Celsius, 70 to 80 degrees on the bed. Now, if you have the Prusa powder coated bed, I have found that I had to up my temperature a little bit more. I actually print at 90 degrees on the bed to get the PETG to stick properly. Speed is 30 to 50 millimeters a second, off or low on the fan. Polymaker says that they have found that PETG can weld to these surfaces and advises glue stick as an interface between your BuildTak or PEI. PETG will absolutely glue itself to glass. So if you are printing on glass with PETG, definitely glue stick. Now, your mileage may vary, but I use Meguiar's automotive glass cleaner on my PEI.
Not sponsored.
Non-sponsored. I use it on the PEI sheet to stop the PETG from welding to it, and it seems to work pretty good. You just give it a good rub down with that. So, Polymax is a family of advanced 3D printing filaments produced with Polymaker's nano reinforcement technology. I don't know what that is, but that sounds really cool. To deliver exceptional mechanical properties and printing quality, Polymax PETG offers better mechanical properties than any other regular PETG, making it a good candidate for a wide range of applications. Now, if you guys have not had a chance to try Polymaker's products, they are really awesome. They have a Poly Light PLA that it's pretty great. And in fact, I have a review video. We have a review video on the channel. I'll throw a link up here to that. You can go check that out. It's a little bit old, so it'll be a little bit cringy to watch. But I printed a ton of stuff with their filament. You want to do that one?
No, too long.
Too long? All right, why don't you do that one then? Let me go ahead and do that one.
This is Phoenix Nylon
Phoenix.
Blue. Phoenix.
That's Phoenix.
Oh, okay. Phoenix Nylon Blue. Hot and temperature 240 to 260. Bed temperature 70. Speed 30 to 150 millimeters per second. You need a cooling fan. Use glue stick on the bed for adhesion or use Gecko-Tech Easy Stick hot sheet. Nylon available in a range of colors. Tough with reduced war page for easier printing. I don't know what that.
Breathe 3DP.
Okay.
Okay, so yeah, I know that the Phoenix word has always been hard. It's also hard to remember how to spell it, but it's a city in Arizona as well. So,
Of course it is.
yeah, we've gotten a couple things from Breathe 3DP. I don't know if we've ever gotten any of their nylon. I've actually never printed nylon, so I need to get off my butt and print some of these crazier materials. And they do their recommendation of the Gecko-Tech Easy Stick sheets is a good one.
Are they sponsored?
No, they're not sponsored. But if you've never tried one of those, they're pretty awesome. I had one on the Rovo for a while, but unfortunately, because it levels with the nozzle, it burned right through the sheet. Oh, I didn't show that up close. I don't know if I showed the Polymax label up close either.
It's 3D Fuel.
3D Fuel, yeah.
Oh.
What does that mean?
3D Fuel is awesome.
I know, we got to meet the guys from 3D Fuel at Murph, along with a bunch of other people. But yeah, we met Todd. Todd came and talked to me from 3D Fuel. So there's your shout out, Todd. I'm just kidding. He's like, I just want to be on your YouTube. No, I'm kidding. I'm totally making that up. 3D Fuel glass filled PLA. It has industrial gray. Print temperature of 190 to 210, so right in the range of regular PLAs. Bed temperature none to 60 degrees. Speed of 40 to 100 millimeters a second. Hardened nozzle advised. So this is a glass-filled PLA 3D printing filament. It's a first-of-the-kind engineering-grade filament that can be used on any machine capable of printing standard PLA. Glass-filled PLA filament offers similar benefit of standard PLA, such as very low warp, low odor, and no special extruder or heat bed needed. But the power of its composite makeup allows it to be stronger, tougher, and more flexible. Made in the USA. 3D Fuel. We got to come up with a way, and I know that other people have done it, but every time that somebody claims that it's stronger than standard PLA or stronger than whatever, my mind thinks I need to come up with some kind of a test for this, like.
I guess that's fair.
But I'm not really sure how to do it. I mean, there's people that are way more scientific than we are. I know. It's the sad part of the month. The Maker Box is over. The good news is we can now go back to sleep.
Yay.
All right, so if you guys don't yet get the Maker Box and you're here watching this just because you're curious and you're not here just watching it for that guy, there is a link in the description below to get yourself a Maker Box, as well as a coupon code to save yourself a few bucks off of the first one. It's an affiliate link, but it's not actually an affiliate link. It just helps me keep track of how many of you guys are buying a box through our link. And again, if you haven't yet done it, do it. Do it at least one time just to get a feel for what it is. Don't brush it off like you don't think that you'll like it, because it's really awesome. The mystery portion of it is the most exciting.
Hey, the Maker Box came.
Oh, the Maker Box is here. So check it out. Use the link below. use the coupon code below. Even if you don't use our link, still use the coupon code because it's going to help you out. If you like what we're doing, we'd love for you to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell for notifications. The thumbs up is always appreciated as well. Bling, bling. No, not that way. And until next time, as always, print on.
How long are we sitting here for?